Tolsen Tools. Now before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. Welcome! So today ang introduce ko sa inyo I am tie down set and you tie down set. So set siya kasi meron tayong 2 and 4. So kasi ito ibig sabihin nun, hindi na set. So ito ay used normally for the cars. So kasi mas malinis siya. Ayan. Ayan. And ito yung mga nilalagay siguro sa mga taas ng cars. Yun. Especially kapag mga boat. Kung na sa ibang bansa kasi di ba? Mahilig sa maglagay ng boat sa taas ng cars. Yan. Ito yung ginagamit. So this is a GS approved. So lahat siya ay GS approved. Meaning sturdy and matibay. Next, this is a zinc plated. So ito yun. Then, ang flashing capacity niya ay depende. So, meron tayong pahaba, straight, which is 225 decanewton. And pagpaikot naman, or yung braking capacity niya is 450 decanewton. Then, ang total length niya is 5 meters. And strap width niya is 25 mm. Nakalagay na rin yung instruction how to use. Now, para kasi siyang belt buckle, so, ina-adjust mo yan kung paano mo gagamitin. And may hook din siya sa likod. Now, ito ay same, but nakaset lang siya for 4 pieces. Next, meron tayo ditong ratchet. Tie down. Mahirap cute, diba? Ay, mas malaki din. So, ito kasi based din sa haba, laki, and yung kapal neto. This is normally used sa containers. Or, pag yung mahilig po travel, it's sa mga luggages natin kapag tinatransport ng airplane. So, yan yan. So, this is a 6 meter total length. Then, this is a 38, sorry. It's a 38 mm strap with strap weight. Then, this is a 1,000 decanewton lashing capacity straight. Then, 2,000 decanewton naman for the paikot. So, imagine niyo yung mga luggages natin or yung container, syempre kailangan sturdy. Hindi pwede umuga-uga. Kasi sabi niya, kung mag-curve ang container, yung heavy niya, syempre, tutulak sa isang side. So, yun yun. So, dalawa sizes natin. So, may mas cutie-cutie small ones tayo. And, mas may malaki-laki tayo. Ito. So, nakikita niyo dito, mabigat-bigat siya. This is 9 meters long and 50 mm ang strap width niya. Then, 2,500 decanewton ang straight. And, 5,000 naman ang lashing capacity niya na decanewton for paikot. Okay? So, that is it for today, guys. That's all what I can do today for you guys. I hope na enjoy nyo and stay tuned sa mga future videos namin. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe! This is Layatan signing off.